So yo, what's up guys, welcome back to channel with another amazing video. Guys, today we are exploring an amazing shop on the Yupo which is called GODMALL. You can visit us on godmall.x.yupo.com. Here you find lot of categories and all products of different types. So first of all, let me walk you through step by step. The number after P is the price, means that the number that is list P, it means the price in yons. Okay, the P165 is equal to 165 yons. They also have listed their WhatsApp number. You can also contact them on WhatsApp or also. Here's all the categories they are offering. Let me show you. They have all the listed brand. They are listed there: the Prada, Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Coach, Balenciaga, Pinko, and lot of other brands are listed here, along with this Chanel, Blue, Burberry, and like this as well. Also, they have working on the different categories like accessories, gift bags, okay, and along with gloves and all the other things like jewelry as well and glasses. So here's the step-by-step guide. So first of all, how you can order on Pingo. So here's all the warm reminder also showing that you can also join their Discord as well. First of all, let me show you the products. Guys, check out this. Here's all the products are available, are listed here on Gold Mall. Like for example, I really like this bag. That looks amazing. So guys, check out this. This is the bag from the LV. Let me show you the complete pictures of the bag. Check out this, guys. This is the QC pictures, I think. And here's the LV. It means that they are also I think they are manufacturers as well. So they have high quality bags as well. So that looks amazing. If you wanna purchase it, you can go to the click on this URL shop, and you can directly purchase them on the Wayden shop as well. They also have the Wayden shop as well. Along this, they also have the affiliated with the Pinko buy. You can, for example, the previous bag, for example, I wanna purchase the previous bag. So how can I order on Pinko buy? Has the complete detail. So first of all, I copy the image, then paste this exact same image, and in this way my purchase is successful with the help of Pinko buy. Okay, so in this way you can purchase whatever the product are. So here all the bags are listed. So you can check out their price is P700. It means that the price is 700 yons. So you can check out all the bag listed. Along this, check out this guy. They have listed 4,000 other products are listed here. Not 1,000, not 2,000. There's a 4,000 plus product at the factory price. So you can purchase whatever you want. So here's the another thing. Let me show you another bag. I really like this bag. So I simply click on this, and let me show you guys. Check out the guys. Quality is the outstanding, guys. Check out this as the quality of the bag. That looks amazing. You can also check out this, and for if you wanna order, I also share you the complete details. You can also check out this. Along this, let me show you their other products. So if you scroll down, they are along the bags, they also have their other different type of bags as well. So along with the different categories on the behalf of brands, like if I wanna purchase something from a specific brand. For example, I am going to select this Chanel. So I can simply click on this, and here's all the wholesale 960 collection as well. So you can also check out this. They have another Yupo store, so you can also check out this as well. So now let's move towards the albums, as all the albums are listed here with basically they are more offering the bags as well. So like this. Here's all the bag. The price is pink price. Bag price is P220, means that the price of this bag is 220 yons. So you can also purchase this. Check out this guys quality, and let me show you the packaging material as well. Check out this guys. So basically they're offering different categories of brands as well. And like this there's the backpack as well, travel bags, briefcase as well. So let me show you the briefcase. There's the briefcase. Guys, check out this. Here's all the briefcases that are listed on the store with the different categories, guys. And along this, honestly, the price is very reasonable for this much quality. So the price of this bag is 420 yons only. Let me show you. Check out the quality, guys. So guys, here's the quality of the bag. Check out, you can see the direct pictures. So guys, check out the quality. So this is the quality of the bag, you can check out this. So this is the complete overview of the GODMALL.x.jupo. So you can visit this where thousands of bags are listed here. You can purchase whatever you want. And again, this video is only for education purpose. Please do your own research before investing anything, because this video is only for educational purpose. So you can also buy the product on Pinku Buy. You can also join the Discord. There's a QQ as well, has the Instagram, the WhatsApp number as the Basetao as well. So let me show you how you can use Basetao. Okay, so you can also check out how to use Best Buy. First of all, you need to register on Basetao. Now, then you top up to Best Buy balance so it can cover the cost. It means that you don't need to worry about the payment issues as well. That's the amazing thing that the Gold Mall is offering. As you know, for ordering, there's a lot of issue about the payments. So there's a payment issue is solved by the Basetao as well. So you can also contact on the Instagram as well. So thanks for watching, guys. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your family and friends who are interested in shopping. Thanks for watching. We will be meet in the next video.